We do have the vision to be self-sustainable in terms of our water, which we have, our electricity, which we have from the sun, and our medicine plants that we're already growing and producing our own brews with. And the next is to put our focus and our energy in the food that we eat. It's easy, so easy to go to the store and to buy the food and bring it here. It's a lot of work to grow food by yourself, and more than you realize until you start doing it. Especially when you need to grow at the large scale that we do. We have constantly like 15 to 20 people staying here. But I think it's a worthy effort because, like with our medicine plants, we're putting our own energy into the food that we grow. Our love and our appreciation and our wish for good health. So I'm sure that the plants, the vegetables that we harvest are going to give us that same good energy back. And it's an opportunity to really connect with the earth, to get out of the technology or other things that we're busy with in the community and really be in the earth, be in the ground, be in the silence of nature. And it's just really a magic that happens when your hands are dirty and you're putting something into the earth and seeing its roots go under and learning about how plants feed one another and waiting for the rain and waiting for the things to sprout. It's like a joy when you see them growing.
We're expanding our food farm and permaculture infrastructure here in Florestral. Getting a strong calling today to return to our indigenous roots and self-sustainability, planting all types of trees, fruits, herbs, flowers, and not only for ourselves but for future generations and for humanity. And we have all of the community members assisting.